Hello, speakers, and welcome to today's storytelling session. Remember the Garcia's family? The father, dad, the mother, mom, and the daughter, Sophia. And there is a brother or son, Mateo. So let's talk about Mateo's daily routine. Ready? Mateo often wakes up at 7:30 a.m. and gets ready for school. He's a young boy and he's always full of energy and new ideas with a big grin on his face. He's got a messy blonde haircut and is always wearing his favorite superhero t-shirt. He's very adventurous and he loves playing outside with his friends. So you see, this is Mateo's early morning routine. And the frequency of the activities. Often, always, never. Frequency adverbs for the actions. He is always wearing his favorite superhero t-shirt. He never wakes up before 7:30 a.m. Always, never. So, he is also always ready for school at the same time as his sister. He usually has a big breakfast and then heads off to school on the bus. He goes to school by bus, the same as his sister. He's got a lot of toys and games, and he's always eager to show them off to his friends. He's very curious and loves learning new things. So you see, Mateo is a boy. His friends. Sophia is a girl. Her friends. Sophia loves spending time with her friends, and Mateo loves showing off his toys to his friends. Su de él, his. Su de ella, her. So, what is your brother's daily routine? What is your cousin's daily routine? You tell me, don't forget to comment. So you see, don't forget to comment on TikTok, on Instagram, send your opinions, questions. The more interaction, the better. Siempre feliz de recibir sus comentarios aquí en TikTok, en Instagram, y feliz de poder tener el tiempo de interactuar con ustedes. Y si tienen alguna duda, alguna pregunta o algún comentario, feliz de estar en contacto y responderlo a la brevedad. Nos vemos pronto, speechers. Bye bye.